Hey guys, today we got the ARE MX series with the overlanding package. Fits the 94 to 04 S10 short bed, the 6-foot bed. This one's burgundy in color. Does have some paint issues, but it's not in bad shape other than the paint. It has some clear coat peel through here. Small stone chip there. The top's faded. You'll be able to see that on the top. A little bit of fade there in the front. The top edge here has some paint like peeling. It's a good possibility this has been repainted. Not positive of that, but tends to look like that's what happened here. Bottom edge is in pretty decent shape, no big gouges or anything on here. Good candidate to for a respray. Change the color. Now these are typical mini truck size beds. So these specifically was built for the 94 to 04 S10, but it'll fit the older body S10s and probably your older body Toyotas and Rangers. You see the front was faded there. This front edge looks good. The bottom edge on this looks good. A little bit of a touch-up mark right there. There's a small chip there. It does have the opera window in the top, which is still visible. You can see through it. Most of those have closed them off now. They don't offer that anymore. The glass is there, but the fiberglass is not cut open. Top is faded on this side as well. You can see. A couple small chips there. Bottom edge, you can see the fading on that as well. A couple chips right there. And some more paint fade areas there. Top edge, a little bit of a paint issues right there in the top, just the very top edge of this side. Does have the third side sliders in the side. Yes, it does have the overlanding package, so it does have the full rear camper door in the back. So this removes the tailgate and then allows you to access the cab or the bed. A couple chips in that right there. A little bit of paint wear on the top edge of here. Some scratches, really not too bad at all. A couple chips down in there. This allows the door to open up so you can access inside. Screens are in decent shape. It's got a couple small scrape in the screen there. This does have the removable or the tilt-in front slider, so that window will tilt, or front picture window, sorry. That front window will tilt in so you can clean between the cab and the cap on this. Then you can latch it back up when you're done. Screens on this side look really good. No holes in the screens that I can see. So you can reach in through there, access into the cab bed and lock that up. Then you can open this up this way as well. So this will open up like a hatchback. And then can open up so you can access the whole bed area with the hatch open. Like that. It'll also close back down. Then you latch that there. Latch that on this side, and then you're good to go. So there it is. It's a ARE MX series. It's the 94 to 04 S10 Sonoma S15 Sonomas with the 6-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it's at, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done on that link down below. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed slides, bed storage solutions, deck units, things like that, those are all available for purchase as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.